If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. Alright, so I just finished a street race with this guy in the Porsche for whatever reason. Look at this view, y'all. Oh my god. Wow. Alright, so here it is. The official sign. Alright, so here I am in Redrock Canyon. If you never heard of this place, you definitely need to come, and this is why. Beautiful. So videos and pictures don't do this place justice, but this is the Redrock Canyon. It is pretty dope. It's like something you would see in one of those old Western movies, or just one of those old movies in general. It's pretty cool. Alright, so if you all want to feel like an ant, come to somewhere like this. Huge, crazy. Oh my god. Whew. I think I went up the tough route because this mess is tough. Yeah, definitely did. Shoot. On this trail right now, as you can see. I'm not really sure where it's going, but the view is definitely worth it. I think it's just some springs or something, which I guess is cool. I mean, we got a lot of springs in Florida, so this I'm not too excited about, but I want to see what the West Coast has to offer. Okay, and this is how steep this hill is. Like, God. And all these rocks, it's like, man, this is tough and dangerous. Alright folks, so I just did it. I climbed up the top of, well, I climbed my first mountain. It's not necessarily the top, but I did it. It's not that high, unfortunately, but I'm up here. And wow. Alright folks, so I think we made it to the money shot. As you all can see, this is a Scenic Overlook area. I kept reading to take a stop and check it out, and it was definitely right. Wow. Right, so here we are now in the Death Valley Junction. So just a bunch of old looking shops, like something you would see in a movie. I'll tell you right now, this car is hanging in there. Like, I'm so happy I have this thing right now, because my car would have been done back in Vegas. I mean, Death Valley, like, this is crazy. And no one's here. This is just wild. Like, this is kind of scary. All right, so here we are at the Opera House. And it's indefinitely closed. That sucks. But look at it. This is scary. It's like an abandoned building. This is wild. Really wild. Oh, COVID took it out. That sucks. Said no cameras. Let me get away. All right, so here we are at Death Valley National Park. Hello? You hear the echo? No one's out here but me in this entire area. MrBucketlist! Crazy, crazy, crazy. So yeah, here we are. Let's do it. All right, so for you all everyone who's interested as far as how I'm going to do these videos when I'm driving, this is all I use is this little suction cup thing that you put on the edge of your car, like your hood or something like that. And then this camera right here that I'm speaking to, the Gopro Hero 9. So this and this, I'm going to record you all just a drive through of Death Valley and all other places I've been as well. So I hope you all enjoy. Again, it's your boy, MrBucketlist. Peace out. All right, so never in a million years did I think I would be in a yellow, well, not even yellow, it's like a bright, like a neon color, but a neon Camaro in Death Valley. It's crazy right now, but this is MrBucketlist, and this is what I do. Now, so any tips for people that come to Death Valley? There are these crazy flies that literally, at first it was like 2, I was like, okay, it's just 2 little flies. And then it was like 14, 15, and these things were huge too. So, I mean, if you got any food in your car or whatever, don't come here with a convertible with food in the car, because they will basically attack you. I didn't know what was going on, but man. Yeah, here we go. All right, so look where I'm at, the dang car wash. Now, I've never gotten a car wash with a rental before, but being that I'm in Las Vegas and I'm on this trip, and I just went through Death Valley, it was all dusty. I can't be in Vegas with a dusty car, so yeah, I'm getting it washed. So you're welcome, Alamo. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.